Hi, I'm Dr. Tasnifa, Medical Director of Lebron Aesthetic Clinic. So today we have a topic called acne and acne scars, which is the most common problem nowadays among youths and definitely the elderly people also. So acne, what is acne actually? When there is overproduction of oil and buildup of bacteria altogether, it leads to acne. Acne and pimples, they are two things. Acne is actually a disease and pimple is a symptom. So we have to treat actually both. So we have to treat what is acne and we have to do the symptom treatment too. So there are many different causes which leads to the acne and pimples for sure. It can be due to the hormonal changes, as in teenage it happens. It can be due to the overproduction of sebum, that is the sebum glands, and the area which are more prone to the oil glands, like for example face, neck, shoulder, all these areas are more prone to the acne. So all these things lead to acne production, and then later on if you will go for the causes, we have to treat them proper one by one and then lead to the treatment part. So first thing what we have to do is to control the oil secretion. Like there are the medications available like isotretinoin, which actually dry up the skin and there is less oil secretion. But what else? We have to kill the bacteria which is building up over there. So that is done with the help of now advanced treatments which are available like ozone, which provide you the UV rays and kill up the bacteria. There is infrared light also. Then the second step goes ahead with, which is the acne scars, which definitely can't go with the help of any cream or something like that. We have to treat it from the second layer of your skin. We have to give a sort of injury so that there should be the new skin generation. You can go ahead with the chemical peels. There is the microneedling procedure, which is one of the best procedure for open pores as well as the acne scars. All these together can give you much better results. And yes, the healthy diet is very important in the acne, because if you will eat oily and spicy food more, it will lead to more oily secretion and more acne and pimples. So for sure, you have to hydrate your skin as much as possible, drink more water, you have to control the oily and spicy food, the junk food definitely, and then only you will see altogether good results in your acne and the scars, and then surely you will have a complete acne free skin as well as a clean skin without the marks too. So altogether we have to work on it. It takes usually 2 to 3 months to give you proper results. Don't be impatient as you are using some cream or face wash and you find that I should get the result in a day. That is not possible. You have to be patient and you have to wait for the good results. So that's it. Thank you.